Hi, I'm Mark Woolbright with Verdtech Inc. And if you've come to our website and you're looking at retaining wall systems, there's going to be three main reasons why you'd like to buy our Varden plastic living retaining wall system over maybe another small block system. The biggest reason is because you can plant in it. And so you've got a unique aesthetic like nothing else. It really creates a fantastic landscape, and it creates green space, habitat, runoff water filtration, urban cooling. There's a lot of environmental reasons why you would want to use this block. The other reason is because this block only weighs 3 pounds, and it's easily shipped by UPS in cardboard boxes, or we can get 250 square feet of block on one wood pallet. So minimal space taken up in shipping, minimal cost taken up in shipping, easy to handle. If you're professional, your workers aren't going to smash their finger or smash their toe dropping this. Nobody's going to get worn out from installing these blocks. So it's going to be a very labor-friendly system for the current labor marketplace. So those are the two big reasons. The third reason is really because I'm leaning against the first wall that we ever built with my original patent, which was for a concrete living retaining wall system. And this was built in 1992. And it's been here all these years, planted with sedum, a variety of different types of sedum and some vines, and it's just been awesome. And over the years, we manufactured and sold and supported several million square feet of this type of block, this concrete block. So the Varden polymer retaining wall block represents the culmination of everything I've learned over all those years, and I have vast experience with plantable walls and retaining walls in general and structure. So you're going to get great support from us, and we really know what we're doing when we give you some advice. So something to think about, and we hope you'll consider buying the Varden plantable retaining wall block for your next project. Thanks. And then you hit